Hello everyone, how are you all? Today I have come up with a new craft video. So this craft's name is Dogi-Gami. So I'm going to teach you how to draw and make this craft very easy. This is a cute little dog. I have used over here two-sided so that it looks pretty. So I'll teach you how to make this in this video. So I've taken a yellow sheet of paper because I wanted to make with yellow color. So I've used a yellow sheet paper and I have one marker also to draw the eyes and the mouth. And you even need one scissor, safety scissors, because this is a work that is done with scissors. So do this under your parents' supervision. Okay, so let's start. So for now, we'll keep this marker aside and we'll use the scissors now. So first take your A4 size color sheet, color paper or white paper, whatever you want, and then you need to fold it like a square, like this. See this, like this. You need to fold it, and then it will become like this. Make sure that over here no parts are left. You need to cover it fully like this. Done. Now cut the excess part, this excess part, and I'll show you by cutting it. Cut it very properly and under parent supervision, because this is scissors. Now this is now a triangle piece of paper, and then you need to open it, and then fold it in this way, like this. Fold it in one more triangle, and then it will become like this, like two lines will be drawn. Make sure the two lines are drawn, and like this. Then you need to do it, and then you need to from the side, from this edge corner, you need to fold it like this, like how I am folding. Do the same for the second one. And yeah, you have done this. You can even leave some space in the beginning. See, it's like this now. Alright, and see, if you are turning it also, it's like this. See, and now you need to fold this upper part back side. Fold it behind like this. Yeah, like this. It will become like this. Alright, and then you need to fold it from the bottom part also. Alright, okay, I'm folding it backward. You need to fold it behind where you folded this one. And now it's ready, cute little doggy. And now you need to bring your marker, and now start drawing on it the two eyes. Oh, such a cutie. Draw both the eyes and color it even, and then make a big nose. And now draw a line. Oh, such a cute little doggy. You can even draw some things over here like heart or anything, whatever you want. You can draw anything. It's all your choice. So this is one pair and it's two. This is the second one. Over here this is a written one, and this is a color paper one. Tell me which one did you like the most, the yellow one or this written paper one. So thanks for watching my video. Please do like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.